On Instagram, you were seeing pictures of people with like hundreds of pairs and this and that. Like, Marcus Jordan backdoored more of these sneakers than he probably backdoor cut in his basketball career, bro. I mean, I don't know how true the allegations are, but like, what can you really do? What you gonna do? Tell his dad, bro? Like... Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with a very special shoe review for you guys, man. It's a very special video, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down there, hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a like on the video. On this channel, I usually bring like sneaker reviews, on feeds, resell predictions, upcoming copper drops, or you know, resell on any upcoming sneaker releases. If you guys are into that, I also bring some vlogs, and I do want to get into like fits and lookbooks, but it's kind of shitty in New York with the weather and COVID, so I don't be really doing much besides like working. But I'm gonna be bringing you guys a lot more videos, so just stay tuned, especially when it gets nicer out. Y'all gonna expect a lot more of those videos, man. So just hit that subscribe button and join the team, man. And I also have to give a big shout out to my man Palmer, aka PV Sneaks on Instagram, for providing me this sneaker, man. He has like all the heat and grails if you're looking for like OGs and stuff like that. I'll be linking his Instagram down in the description, so if you guys are looking for any of that, if he doesn't have it, he'll be able to source you it or find a sneaker for you, man. That's really the GOAT, man. Big shout outs to you, my boy. But before we get into the unboxing and review, I just want to quickly go over the release of this sneaker, bro. This might have been the worst Jordan release that we have ever seen, bro. It was a collab, so it was pretty limited. I think only like 12,000 pairs were released to the public. A lot of it allegedly was backdoored, bro. They said Marcus Jordan was just backdooring these sneakers left and right. So on Instagram, you were seeing pictures of people with like hundreds of pairs and this and that. Like, Marcus Jordan backdoored more of these sneakers than he probably backdoor cut in his basketball career, bro. Like, if we being honest, like, he was really shitty on the court, bro. Like, I mean, I don't know how true the allegations are, but like, what can you really do? What you gonna do? Tell his dad, bro? Like, his dad's Michael Jordan. You gonna tell his dad? But yeah, man, I did try to enter the raffle. I felt like that was my only chance of getting the sneaker, and yeah, bro, I couldn't even do that. Like, I tried to enter the raffle, which you had to send an email to the trophy room website or whatever, or email, and every time I'll send an email, it would be like email system full, like inbox full. I'm like, what? There's no way you're Michael Jordan's son and you don't have a raffle system where it allows people to enter. Like, you probably allow bots to enter but not regular humans. Like, that's nuts. But it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, it was a super limited sneaker, and like, the public kind of knew we had no chance. I don't know why people were upset about it, but I do see a fair share of people that had the sneaker like in hand, you feel me? Like, a lot of resellers in New York like even had the sneakers in hand, which was pretty crazy to me. I went off on a tangent there, you know what I'm saying? The release was pretty crazy, and I mean, I wasn't upset. Like, I just took my L, you feel me? But let's just get into the unboxing and review, man. So first things first, you see the box right here. It is a regular Jordan 1 box with different colors. The box itself, I would say, is pretty fire just because it has the gradient and of the blue, and they did add like stars to it, which kind of like looks like the American flag, the blue part with the stars. And Nike check is in white. This is a size 11, as you guys can see. They did have a retail price of $170. Some pairs were $190. So the story behind that was that the early pairs released by Nike, they had a flaw, like they had an error, not really like a flaw, just an error with the pricing, so they put $170. The later pairs that were released were $190. So, but who knows? I don't know how true that is. That's just what I heard on the streets, you feel me? But overall, it's just a regular Jordan 1 box with the sizing, the Nike around. This pair is from Stadium Goods, so it's authentic, you feel me? Shout out to my people over there at Stadium Goods. Y'all know who y'all are, man. And yeah, 1985 Air Jordan 1. And yeah, I'll give you guys a quick little b-roll of the box just in case you guys want to see more stuff. Another aspect of the box is underneath the lid. It says Air Jordan Trophy Room with a little basketball logo. And I'm gonna give you guys a little b-roll of all the details on the box so you guys can have a more in-depth look. So let's just cut to that. Boom, there you guys have it. If you guys want to, you know, inspect your boxes or whatever and compare it, you guys can come to this video as a reference. Share with your friends, whatever, man. Do what y'all gotta do. Let's get into the unboxing, man. Lid, I already showed you guys under here. Now the paper, tissue paper that it comes with like a off-white color right here. I don't know if you guys could tell with the lighting, but this is not the regular white paper that's in regular Jordan 1s. It's like a little bit off-white. And the paper is a little bit more premium though. It's just a little bit more premium. Like, who cares, but it's a little bit more premium. Woo! But here we have the sneakers, man. I'm not gonna lie, this sneaker is it, man. This sneaker is it. Like, this is a good looking sneaker, bro. But yeah, let's cut to a B-roll so you guys can have a look at all the details of the shoe, and then I'll come back and break it down with the material and the colorway. You feel me? So let's hop to that. Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, as you guys can see, it is a Jordan 1 silhouette, and it follows the OG Chicago colorway, man. I forgot why it says rumor has it. Damn, I forgot the whole story of the shoe. But never mind that. If y'all want the whole story of the shoe, just Google the shoe, man. I'm just here to give you guys a review of the sneaker, man. It was like rumor has it, 1985 something. He had a whole commercial, but you know, who even cares? We couldn't even get the sneakers, you feel me? But I'm just gonna give you guys the review. Yeah, like I said before, this shoe is from Stadium Goods, so it has the tag to authenticate the sneakers right here. And yeah, man, let's jump into the colorway breakdown. So it does follow the OG Chicago colorway. As for the colorway breakdown, this sneaker follows the same color blocking as the OG Chicago ones. The leather on this sneaker is nothing too crazy. It's nice leather, but it's not super tumble or buttery like the shattered backboards. And the red on it has this glittery plasticky finish to it, but the bottom base of it is leather, red leather, and it has the glitter all around. A feature of it has on the heel is this Jordan signature right here. It's on both sneakers, on this one and this one right here. And then the midsole on it is an off-white or aged white, with the outsole having a translucent eggnog color with the 3 stars or 4 stars. I can't count for some reason. It has 4 stars down here. Red, blue, alternating. Same thing with the sneaker on the other side. And the upper, OG Chicago, so red. Nike swoosh is black, mid panel is white, toe box is white, and then red all around, ending with the black leather around the ankle. The tongue is white with the white Nike Air accent up here on the red tag. On the inside it says this pair is 428 of 12,000. On the other shoe, on the inside, it reads February 10th, 1985. And yeah, man, overall very clean sneaker. One big debate was the laces. So initially it comes with black laces already laced into the shoe, and with extra white laces and an extra pair of red laces. Yeah, and there's a rumor going around online that some pairs do have the extra blue laces, and they were saying that if your pair doesn't have the blue laces, it's fake. And yeah, the insole has the Air Jordan Trophy Room logo, same thing on the top of the box that was shown in the B-roll. I'm gonna run it again right here. And yeah, let's just do a quick smell test of these, just because like Jordan 1s have this like very distinct smell. And yeah, this smells just like any other pair of Jordan 1s. So these are real in my book, man. And they come from Stadium Goods. So my people over there, my authenticators over there are good money. Palmer, he's good money. So these good money, you feel me? Now as for sizing, you guys should already know how Jordan 1s go. If you guys don't, go true to size on them. If not, size down half a size, because they do run a little bit big. So just try on a pair of Jordan 1s. If they run big, just size down half a size, man, or else go true to size. Now as for comfort on these, I never put them on, but it's the same old Jordan 1, very flat bottom, no really new technology in there. So yeah, man, comfort is not really that good, like 6 out of 10. I would say very flat. And since this pair is a size 11, not a size 9, I don't have an on feet portion of the review. I apologize. Even if I had a size 9, I don't know if I was going to provide you guys with an on feet, because I probably wouldn't wear this. Like, this shoe sells for a lot, which leads perfectly into the resell prediction. Right now this sneaker is selling for around 3,000 ish. When it first came out, people were trying to push them for like 2,000, 2.5. But as you guys could see, like online, like people got hundreds of pairs, thousands of pairs of this sneaker, and they just holding it. So the supply of this sneaker is already low at 12,000, probably dropped to like 6,000, 7,000 to actual people that were able to get this sneaker. I personally would just keep the sneaker as a display piece. I probably wouldn't even like sell it, because I feel like it's a very limited item. But if you're looking to resell this sneaker or invest in these, I know people that do that from time to time, but I'm just not into that. If I can't get the sneaker at retail or a little bit over retail, I just let that release pass, man. There's no reason of me chasing it, holding it for like months or years to make like a couple hundred or a couple $1,000. Well, maybe $1,000 worth it, but you could flip that if you're really into reselling, you know what I'm saying? You don't have to wait on one shoe for like a year or two. So that is my conclusion on these. I would personally pass on these. If you do have them, I would say hold on to them, just because it is very limited and it's a very special collaboration, you know what I'm saying? It's a very nice sneaker, and over time it will just rise, just because like supply will fall and the demand will probably still be there for people seeking this shoe. But prices is already high at 3,000, so I do see it going up to like 5 once more people start wearing them and less pairs become available on the market. Do your own due diligence with what you want to do. I personally wouldn't chase it. So now to wrap things up with my final opinion of this sneaker, it is a very, very good looking shoe, and the collaboration was done very nicely. Like, I can't lie to you guys, as much as I was indifferent about the release, like this is a very, very nice sneaker. The closest thing I have to a Chicago right now is this pair of Spider-Man ones right here. And yeah, as you guys can see, man, this thing, well, this kind of looks good on camera. I'm not gonna lie to you, this looks good on camera, man. But this sneaker is very premium as compared to this. But this don't look too bad, you feel me? This don't look too bad. Very nice sneaker, man. I personally wasn't able to get my size or get a pair, so yeah, there's not really much I could do, man. It's a very nice sneaker, but I didn't get them, so it is what it is. If I did have them, it would be a display piece anyway in the back. I wouldn't even rock these. These are like very special. And that wraps up this video, man. Make sure you guys comment down below what you guys think of this sneaker right here, man. The whole release, the frenzy, the backdooring, and were you guys able to, and what's your thoughts on how this sneaker looks, man? Make sure y'all leave a like. It's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.